My son has a YouTube channel with 12 million subscribers. How do I tell him it's not a viable career option and shut down the account while not being despised? Holla! My name is Liberty V Justice, and there is no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legend. You are worth it. If you got a YouTube channel, listen up. It's going to be short and sweet. Yesterday was my birthday, November 7th, but holla, today feels like my birthday. I'm telling you, this is going to be so quick. Just check it out. My son has a YouTube channel. The mom wants him to shut it down. It's not a good career. Oh, you're not doing the right thing. Don't you love it when people say what you wish you could say? So I'm saying it. I've been struggling how to say this for so long, so I'm going to tell you right now. Check it out. This is the response from Matthew Kenrick. He said to the lady, 12 million subscribers. So you're telling me that your son has received a diamond play button and is running a channel that generates enough income to live comfortably, and telling him it's not a viable career. Okay, let's do the math. On average, you generate $1 per 200 views in ad revenue. That's $5,000 per video. A month's income, a whole month's income for a lot of people in the United States. If he were to upload twice per week, that would be $20,000 a month or $240,000 a year. If he uploads every weekday, that's $1,300,000. $1,300,000, 1.3 million a year, just from the YouTube episodes alone. Okay, plenty of money to put towards investing and set himself up for life. So, if I were you, I would encourage him. Unless you want to be left in a nursing home in your old age, encourage him in his career, in what he wants to do. Because I add this, you and I am worth it. And when I say worth it, I mean money. Infinite. You are infinite in value. No amount of money, millions, billions, no amount of money is worth what you're worth. You're priceless to God and to me. Thank you so much to this guy. I'm going to have to follow him on YouTube, Matthew Kenrick. You are worth it. I appreciate you. Facts speak for themselves. I will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes. My name is Liberty V Justice, CEO of I'm Worth It Inc. and the face, for now, of this channel. There is no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legend, because you're worth it. And you can get a free money mantra download in our store today. It's free for you. We have a free wallpaper that says, I am worth loving. I will love myself completely. My very first goal with this YouTube channel is a silver play button. Silver play! Silver play! That is 100,000 subscribers and getting monetized. That means being part of the YouTube partner program, and I need 3,000 watch time hours to reach that goal, okay? So, but you're not just a subscriber to me. You're family. We are a community here, okay? And my name is Liberty. I am here to support you with I'm Worth It Inc. And please tell me your name and your YouTube channel goal in the comments. You're worth it. We're better together. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting. I love when you comment.